Want to drive the car of your dreams? Or live in the perfect house to grow your family? Then make sure your credit score is not standing in your way. At least not with this credit fix guide. Living on credit is as common as knowing you can buy bread from the local supermarket. It has spread so much that it is part of our culture. Nobody has the time to win the lottery or wait a lifetime to be able to buy whatever would make him or her happy. Many times it happens that we do not have the needs to afford that new sofa we've been thinking to change for so long, the car we've gone through all reviews for, or the house that would be amazing to raise our family in. To make things worse, it turns out that our credit score is quite the opposite to the deal we were hoping to get out from our visit in the bank. Such events may bring quite some frustration to our days, but it's entirely up to us to make the needful and get clean out of it. You do not have to be alone in this journey, because the information, which you are about to get familiar with, will autonomously guide you through the entire process of repairing bad credit in as short period as possible, and ensure that you are doing everything right. Because the information, which you are about to get familiar with, will autonomously guide you through the entire process of repairing bad credit in as short period as possible, and ensure that you are doing everything right. Credit Secrets, 2 books in 1, is a comprehensive guide by Scott Moss that promises to empower readers with the knowledge and tools needed to elevate their credit score and repair bad credit. With a focus on practicality and actionable strategies, this book provides a wealth of information aimed at demystifying the world of credit. One of the strengths of Moss's approach is the dual nature of the book. By combining 2 essential aspects, boosting your credit score and repairing bad credit, the author addresses the needs of a broad audience. Whether you're looking to establish a strong credit foundation or rectify past financial missteps, Moss provides guidance tailored to both scenarios. The book covers a variety of topics, from the fundamentals of credit scoring to detailed explanations of essential concepts. Moss takes a reader-friendly approach, breaking down complex information into digestible segments. This accessibility ensures that both novices and individuals with some knowledge of credit management can benefit from the content. A standout feature of Credit Secrets is the inclusion of 609 letter templates. These templates are invaluable tools for disputing inaccuracies on your credit report. Moss goes the extra mile by explaining the purpose and usage of these letters, empowering readers to take proactive steps in rectifying errors that may adversely affect their credit scores. Take proactive steps in rectifying errors that may adversely affect their credit scores. Errors that may adversely affect their credit scores. Errors that may adversely affect their credit scores. Throughout the book, Moss emphasizes the importance of understanding credit laws and regulations. By equipping readers with this knowledge, he empowers them to navigate the often intricate landscape of credit reporting and dispute resolution. This emphasis on education sets Credit Secrets apart from mere quick-fix credit solutions. While the promise of blasting your credit score through the roof may sound ambitious, Moss's practical advice and actionable steps provide a solid foundation for individuals looking to improve their financial standing. The book encourages a proactive and informed approach to credit management, fostering a mindset of financial empowerment. In conclusion, Credit Secrets, 2 books in 1 by Scott Moss, is a valuable resource for anyone seeking to understand, repair, and boost their credit. Moss's user-friendly style, comprehensive content, and emphasis on empowerment make this book a practical guide for those on the journey to financial freedom. Whether you're a credit novice or looking to fine-tune your credit strategy, Moss's insights and tools are worthy additions to your financial toolkit.